Mga kawok, welcome back to Hashtag Walk with Lan, where we dissect Philippine politics like a late-night barkada kwento. Walang filter to mga kaibigan ha. Wait lang. Okay ha, walang filter ito ha. All facts tayo at konting tawa para hindi maging heavy. Today, ha? Today, oh boy, simpleng kwentuhan lang. Isang bagong senador, ha? Fresh from the 2025 elections, biglang binastos sa harap ng buong bansa. Rodante Marcoleta, yung dating House Rep na naging senador with over 15 million votes, ha? Versus the veteran, ha? Ping Lacson. Why are you so protective of the Discayas? Boom, ha? Parang plot twist sa teleserye. Kay revolution ba ang sagot o elite drama lang ito? Ikaw bagong elected official, excited na, na mag-serve sa bayan. Tapos biglang sinigawan ka ng senior senator na parang ikaw ang kontrabida. Felt that, no? That's the vibe. Pero wait, ha? This isn't just personal shade. It's tied to a massive flood control scam, ha? Probe na nagiging circus. Over 10 billion pesos in questionable contracts. Contractors like the Discaya couple under fire at si Marcoleta, ha? Is just asking for due process in a democracy in shouting down a colleague justice or just power play. Let's unpack mga kawok. Hit that like button if you are team fairness at subscribe para sa more youth-led takes on homeland hassles. Let's dive in. Simpleng kwentuhan muna tayo ha. Sino ba si Rodante Marcoleta? Not your typical trapo, no? Lawyer yan, TV host at dating representative ng Sagip Party List. Yung grupo na tumutulong sa mga OFWs at marginalized. 2025 ha, boom, no? 6 players sir sa Senate race, 15 million votes ha. Why? Kasi his vocal on human rights, anti-corruption at pro-due process mga kaibigan. Remember his defense of Duterte era policies, not blind loyalty. It's about the rule of law. Okay, fast forward tayo to September 2025. Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on flood control mess. Billions poured into projects. Pero baha pa rin sa NCR. Enter the Discayas, no? Contractors accused of overpricing. Legit issue, right? Pero here's the witty twist. Okay, that probe turns into a shouting match minutes in. Lacson as chair grills witnesses. Marcoleta, no? Sabi niya, he interjects, Mr. Chair, let's hear them out fully. Bakit rush? Next thing, bakit protective ka sa Discayas? Ouch! Insulto level, expert. Imagine you're in a group project at yung leader biglang calls you out publicly without facts. Unfair, di ba? Marcoleta's not defending crooks, he's defending the process. Okay, in Philippine politics, newbies like him, pro-INC, pro-fairness, often get hazed by old guards. Is this revolution material or just growing pains sa Senado? Kwento ko my tito, dating activist, says politics is chatter, but the audience is us, the youth. Spot on. Text me your thoughts. Fair ba ito? Okay mga kawok. Let's replay the drama. Simpleng timeline para easy to follow September 23, 2025. Blue Ribbon resumes flood probes Okay, questions to Discaya witnesses Marcoleta raises hand. Chair, clarify the docs first. Evidence-based tayo. Boom, no? Si Lacson, nag-snap. Ay, nako, don't question my integrity. Then the zinger, why protective of the Discayas? Conflict of interest ba? Marcoleta fires back calm. Kalmado lang ang ating superhero. I'm protecting due process, not them. Hindi porket baguhan, automatic suspect. Parang basketball game, no? Lacson, the vet, no? Fouls the rookie hard. Ref, the Senate itself silent, no? Marcoleta's family has no direct ties to Discaya, no? That's black propaganda agenda floating online. Even Tulfo brothers jump in later defending witnesses' rights, no? This echoes classic Philippine Senate. Remember Trillanes versus Enrile? Power dynamics over policy, mga kaibigan. If this were a K-drama, Marcoleta's the brooding hero, Lacson's the Chudenza antagonist. Okay, for youth, sa mga kabataan, this is a lesson. Speak up, even it costs shade. Marcoleta post-clash, press con September 15, I'll fight for truth, not drama. Hero move. Your turn. Comment down below. Team Marcoleta's chill or Lacson star fire, mga kaibigan. Kawok, simpleng analysis lang. This comes real, 10 billion pesos in shady deals. Pero Marcoleta's point, without fair hearing, it's which hand, no?
Lacson sa legend, but this feels personal. Anti-DDS vibe. Marcoleta, as new chair of Senate Accounts Committee, is pushing transparency. INC angle, no? Yeah, he's black back, but that's democracy, not conspiracy. A youth activist friend messaged me, Lan, this is why we tune out. Puro away, no? Puro away. True, but here's the insight. Revolution isn't torches. It's us. Gen Z demanding better. Marcoleta embodies that. From party list to Senate, fighting for the voiceless. If Lacson wants protection, start with flood victims, not shade throwing. Boom! Mic drop, mga kaibigan. Okay, shifting to kwentuhan mode. Imagine texting your group chat post-hearing. Grabe Lacson roasted. Marcoleta reply, chill, he's just doing his job. Nah, feels off. Okay, college buddy, Paul Sai Major, says, Marcoleta's may inspiration, baguhan pero bold. Story Ay, nako naman, story 2 natin, tita from flood hit Pampanga, salamat sa probe, pero wag mag-away, tulungan ang baha. Okay, ito naman yung guest, no? Like Lakay Deo would say, politics is damdaming bayan, heart of the nation. Marcoleta's heart, fairness. Lacson's justice, pero with too much hit. Youth humor. This clash, any love team breakup? Naninig ka rin. Nako. Who's your ship, no? Text Team Marcoleta for shout out, mga kaibigan. Okay, deep cut, kawok. Philosophically, this is roles versus Nozick. Fairness in procedure. Marcoleta versus ends justify means. Lacson. In Philippine context, post-2025, with new senators like him, it's a reset. No? Revolution's answers not no, not yes, no. It's evolve. Marcoleta's calm rebuttal. Masterclass in emotional intelligence. Key for youth leaders, mga kaibigan. Okay, top 3 funny lines from the hearing. Don't question my experience. Sabi ni Lacson, grabe Sabi naman ni Marcoleta, procedural lang po. No, wow. Sabi naman ni Tulfo, bro, chill. Peacemaker vibes. Laugh with me. Politics needs more of this, less punches, mga kaibigan. So mga kawok, simpleng kwentuhan natin. Marcoleta, binastos. Yes, but he's rising defender of due process in his scam-riddled system. Okay, mga kaibigan, no? Yan. Okay, talagang grabe ang ating superhero. Ang galing-galing, no? Revolution, maybe, if we join the fight smartly. Okay, next hearing, bring a popcorn or better, bring votes for change. Ang problema, magkaka-hearing pa ba? Naka-adjourn na sila hanggang November 10, mga kaibigan. Wala na po. No? So adjourn sila November 11, patay na yan. Baka magsasampa na ng Okay, salamat po sa mga ilang mga minuto of real talk. Like, share, subscribe, join membership for exclusive breakdowns. Sama-sama, #laban para sa katotohanan. Text, walk on for next topic. Ingat at see you in the comment section. What's your take? Peace out at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.